Want your Android phone to look and feel like an iPhone? With the right launcher, you can get the full iOS style icons, gestures, and even the control center. In this video, I will show you how to make your Android phone look like an iPhone with iOS style icons, control center, and more, all using a free app. Let's turn your Android into an iPhone right now. First up, open the Play Store on your Android phone. Then tap on the search icon below. Now type iPhone Launcher. Now find the app called iPhone Launcher by SAS Developer. Then make sure to tap Install. After installing, tap Open. Some ads might interrupt you. Skip them. Then tap on Get Started. Here you can select iOS wallpaper. Choose one of them. Or you can skip by tapping Skip from the top right. I'm gonna tap Continue. Then tap Agree. Now allow this app from the Appear on Top section. Now for the notification access. Again, tap Agree. Now toggle on the iPhone app again to give the notification access. Now, if you want to set this launcher default, then tap on Set as Default. Everything looks like an iPhone. Yeah, I know, not perfectly, but yeah. You'll get a little bit of taste of the iPhone. If you swipe down, you will feel the iPhone's control center. Here, you can use Assistive Touch as well. If you tap on it, you will get the iPhone feel. It looks like iOS Assistive Touch, right? So folks, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Make sure to give this video a like. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.